Hey guys, today we're going to replace the air filter on this Mercedes Benz GLS450. This will apply to the year 2020 through 2023, and it will also apply through 25, I believe, so 24 and 25. Let's get to it. So all you do is grab the front here and you lift up there, and you can do the same over here. Grab it and lift up there, and then you can grab it from the back and you can lift up there, and the same applies over here. Just lift up, and then now this actually goes into the turbos, so air duct, so we can remove that from the cover. So this, you just peel this up like that, and then you can just peel this cover right off. It's hard to do with one hand, so this just pops right off like that, and there you go. There's the cover. Just in case you're wondering what it clips to, it clips to this piece here, and then over here it clips in here, and then on this side it clips here, and then again in the front over here. Okay. All right, so this is the housing that you'll find the air filter in. You'll see 5 clips. One's here, one's back here, the other one is back behind there. On this side, one is there, and the other one is back there. I will get that with the screwdriver and show you exactly where they are. There's one. There's 2 back there. There's 3 there. 2 more to go. You can see the third one way inside there. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go grab it with a screwdriver right now. Got it. All right, so those 3 are undone. Just gotta grab that 5th one over here. All right, so if you get up over it like this, you can see it down there. Put a screwdriver down there, and we just took the 5th one off. If you know how to levitate, I'm sure it's a lot easier to go over there and remove this. Okay, so now we'll remove the housing and we'll replace the air filter. All right, so this lifts up like this, and you'll see the air filter in there. And we'll just pull that out of here. I'm not ripping it. Okay, got the air filter. Nice and dirty. Let's match it up to the other one. Okay, so as you can see, I got the exact one. I think this probably is a hang too. No, this is a mile. Same thing, they're both OEM. All right, so now we're gonna put this filter back in the housing. As you can see before I do that, there's some debris back there, so I'm gonna vacuum it out. Okay, so the new one just slid right in, easy peasy. Just put your hand back there and flush all the sides. Make sure everything's flushed. And you can close it back up after you vacuum. All right, so after you close it back in, it's nice and flushed. You can just literally just push this on, and they go back on like that. That was a little harder to get your finger in, but it will just snap on there. All right. Get your hand. That was easy. Let's get this side now. Might be a little bit more difficult to get the side. We can use a screwdriver. Okay, so just by sticking the screwdriver in there, and you just stick the screwdriver down there and push it in, it went right in. Easy peasy. All right, to put this back on, this actually just snaps right back in here like this, and you just gotta line this up. Again, I'll show you the spots. It goes in, there's the male, that goes into the female over here, and then vice versa on the other side. So feel around for it. Feel that groove over here. You feel that groove over here. This is a lot better than its predecessor, where those clips just came undone. They just came off. That went down easy, easy, easy. So all in all, the 167 is a lot easier and more intuitive than its predecessor, the 166, where you had to take the whole housing apart and you had to take everything off. This is just, I mean, you had to crawl up on top of it to get to one of the clips, but I mean, once you know where it is, you'll never have to do that again, because you can sort of reach down and grab it. Really simple. Give Mercedes an A for this time around. Again, this applies to 2020 to I think about 25. I'm sure 23, but I think 24 and 25 too. Hope this helps. Hope this saves you a few bucks, and I'll see you on the next one.